SPM, English Paper 2. SPM, English Paper 2. Speech writing. Speeches are talks delivered by the presenter during formal or social occasions. It is usually a speech on a topic to pass on information or advice to the audience. Speech writing. Speeches are talks delivered by the presenter during formal or social occasions. It is usually a speech on a topic to pass on information or advice to the audience. Model question. Imagine you are a social worker from a counseling service. The school has invited you to give a speech on dealing with anger to the students. Now write your speech. Use the following notes in your speech. Anger prompts stress hormones, bad for heart rate and blood pressure. Can damage heart muscles and make the heartbeat irregular, causing a heart attack. Need to learn to deal with our anger. New techniques stress on shifting anger from heart to head, from an emotional level to an intellectual level. Ask yourself these 4 questions. Is this important? Is my anger necessary? Is the situation modifiable? Is it worth taking action? Organize your thoughts, think clearly and use your head. Then writing your speech, you should remember to use the speech format. Use all the notes given. Add 2 of your own points. End your speech by the thanking audience. Model answer. Good morning, students. I am Peter Tan, a social worker from Pete Counselling Service. The topic of my speech today is dealing with anger. In case you don't know, anger prompts the outpouring of stress hormones, which causes one's heart rate and blood pressure to rise. An excess of those hormones can damage heart muscles and make the heart beat irregularly. This can constrict blood vessels, forming disrupting plaque which can block an artery, causing a heart attack. Since anger can cause such adverse health effects, all of us need to learn to deal with our anger. Model answer continue. Managing the emotion is neither burying it nor giving into it. The classic way to manage your anger has been to back off, count to 10, then go for a walk. This gives you a few minutes to calm down and regain perspective. However, new techniques stress on shifting your anger from your heart to your head, that is, from an emotional level to an intellectual level. When practicing these techniques, you are to ask yourself these 4 questions. The questions are, is this important? Is my anger necessary? Is the situation modifiable? Is it worth taking action? Such evaluation helps convert your anger into rational thought. If the answers to those questions are all yes, proceed to decide what to do next. By then, you have controlled your anger. Another alternative is to put them down in writing. This process forces you to organize your thoughts, think clearly and use your head rather than lose it. Doing a cost-benefit analysis is also useful. Ask yourself, is getting angry going to gain me anything? If the answer is no, let it go. In this way, you are managing anger and not suppressing it. Well, students, I hope my speech has given you some ideas of how to deal with your anger. Thank you for listening.
Vocabulary Guide. Prompts, causes something. Adverse, negative, harmful. Perspective, a mental view or outlook. Modifiable, changeable. Vocabulary Guide. Prompts, causes something. Adverse, negative, harmful. Perspective, a mental view or outlook. Modifiable, changeable.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.